Hey everyone, this is Mr. Muller. Just going to give you a quick video on directions for today. So if you go into your Project Lead the Way folder, so today is the 18th. So today you'll be working on your presentation for your puzzle cube. So if you go in there, there's a puzzle cube presentation there. And this is something you need to complete as a group. Today it's okay if you work on it individually and then just combine it. We'll give you another day in about 2 weeks to finish it off because you can't finish it today. You'll see why in a minute. So today you'll go in there, edit your group members. So put your first and last names in there. Put in the criteria and constraints that were in Project Lead the Way. If you remember, this is lesson 2.4 and they're in the design briefs. So it talks about all the rules that you had before you can build your puzzle cube. Here you need pictures of your Lincoln Cube prototype. So this is it out of plastic pieces. And notice it says here assembled and individual pieces. So whoever has those pieces on their or pictures on their phone can add 2 pictures in there. And this is where you're all going to need to contribute. So notice it says screenshot of Tinkercad. And for example, Bobby, screenshot of Tinkercad for Jimmy, screenshot of Tinkercad for Bill. So each one of you needs to add these pictures of your Tinkercad assignment. So if you have 3 people in your group, put them in there, change your names. If you only have 2 people, then delete a slide. And then the last one is a picture of your wooden puzzle. And then same thing as before, assembled and individual pieces. So 2 pictures there. And then you'll see that's it, all you can do today. So slides 1 through 7, because if you click on slide 8, it wants the test results. And we haven't tested your cube yet. So we're just filling out slides 1 through 7 with those pictures then.